ceceni ya Inoro TV.
Gatho cia mwanya muno makeria oro hari ungikorwo wiroreire no ni ceceni ya Inoro TV cihandite wega thaa 10 mane mathaa ma Matemo njitagwo Ken wa Kuraya. Hoge igire cia kibũrũri iria ithuri magawi hararia wa ithurano riu irenda thirikari ethukire commission ya ithurano IEBC kigira kiiganu gia kumihotithia gũtabania githurano na kuhe muingi mathomo makonie mitaratara ya githurano maritie makirikia gikaro gia thikũ ithano na nyiti itemi agita IEBC atongoria dini ruhonge rwa magoti arekia mohoro gatakatini kaagi
that conducting elections is the business of the Electoral Commission. All other players take cue from what the Electoral Commission is doing, and that they are providing support to ensure that the work of the Commission delivers the will of the people at the end of the day. The police is there to sort of provide security for the entire process, the personnel, the material, and to ensure that people participate without inherent fear of security lapses.
And I think credible elections really border on transparency. So it's transparency, transparency, transparency. And, you know, the systems there may be work in progress, but it's important that the citizenry is updated regularly on all the steps along the way. And we believe that if, this is done and the citizens are provided with regular updates on all aspects of the electoral process, it will help to ensure the credibility of the election.
All stakeholders, especially political parties, must work together to promote tolerance, peaceful elections, and respect for historically marginalized groups, including rejecting violence against women in these upcoming elections.
Mutirithia wa William Ruto kitatano-ini gia thingira wa iregi na tigiti wa Kenya Kwanza Rigathi wa Gachagua augite ati gitaro gia gatagati gikagairwo nuthu ya thirikari mahotana aikorwo aikia kura kirima-ini ni makeyumiria kwa wingi na mehande thutha wa mwaho uyu akiaria kigomano-ini gia kugania mawoni ma kwarahura utonga wa county ya Meru kiria gikuhumbitwo riri ni munini wa president Rigathi anyitirira ati gitaro gia gatagati gikagitwo na njira igwete.
Flying is one thing. Kuleta shares is another. Na shares yetu si ni kura. Hii ni sure bet amambara sure bet. Ni sure bet amambara sure bet. Our ownership of this coming government will be determined by the number of votes we cast in favor of William Ruto.
Ote uchumi ongekora ote na a listening and responsive government. Is this a listening and responsive incoming government?
So tumekuja hapa watu wa Embu. We have a plan as Kenya Kwanza. But that plan is not a plan until Mama Mboga speaks to it. Until the coffee farmers speak to it. Until the tea farmers speak to it. Until the border fellow speaks to it, until every citizen in every sector speaks to it, so that we can have a plan that we can call it is a Kenyan plan.
Borithi mwena wa Nakuru ya ithũĩro nĩ mahũrĩte rithathi na gũikia ngono mũtongoria wa gĩkundi gĩkĩrĩre mũkana gĩa confirm na kũhithũkia matharaita ũgwati marĩa makoretwo makĩhũthĩrwo nĩ gĩkundi kĩu. Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Nakuru ya ithũĩro Samson Gathuku kwĩrwo angĩ 15 marĩ moko-inĩ ma honge cia ũthuthuria rĩrĩ kibikibi 10 na iria ikoretwo ikĩhũthĩrwo nĩ ekinaĩ ahingĩrĩtwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kaptembwa. Mũingĩ wa matũũra matiganĩte ma icigo mbunge cia Nakuru ya irathĩro na iria ya ithũĩro ikoretwo gikaya kwagagio ni eki na ekuma gikundi gikirire mukana gya confirm keyuba
na nitukoretwo twina challenges ile ikoretwo cieho ni undu wa andu metagwo ngani etagwo confirm kunyarira andu na kumanyarira muno thiini wa wiki ta ithatu guo nitukoretwo tugika patrols itu na indo ici ngimurona tugacinyita na imwe ni reboard ni cia mweri cigana makoretwo ria twekera mitego itu makaruga mitego kuoguo ici no expert ingi si connected na andu o acio turanyitira umwe wao ucio koretwo munene wa gikundi kiu gitetikiritio gitagwo confirm na niturenda kuona andu aria othe methini wa kana kuheana mukana kuria andu aria othe mararuta wira wa criminal activities matina nafasi one emwe thini wa Nakuru West. We are going to hunt them seriously. Niturana na mugururio na turanyita andu ta 15 andu 15 methini wa cero and our DCIO ni aramarutira wira kuo tutigota kuga as per thaisi kisi kinyete ha.
Minister wa Githomo George Amagoha arakinyaniria muoroto wa thirikari wa gutigirira ati arutwo aria othe mekire kigeranio gia KCP kuma matura-ini ma Thika ya ithwiro ni maigira thukuru-ini cia thekondarĩ. Magoha arokire itura-ini ria Kiadutu acera thukuru-ini wa anake wa Chania Thika mbere yake kuhungura matura matiganite mwena ucio augite thirikari ndiragwagwo mubango-ini wa gutigirira gutire murutwo ubatie gukorwo thukuru we mucii.
Our instructions, which are basically His Excellency the President's instructions, are very clear that every child must be at school. All day schools are free of charge within the walking distance of many children. So any child who has not gone to school should be taken there. I have directed many times that no teacher in this republic should send a child back home from a day school for any charge which is illegal. This is because the government of His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta has already sent money for running those schools at this particular time.
Nejo ndirega gucera kuria mwena wa Kiria-ini reke gutware ku ni kuo kwina kampeni cia Azimio la Umoja na mutirithia wa Raila Amolo Odinga Martha Karua ni kuo arahungura mahinda-ini maya reke twambe tuikie maitho.
Mombasa, ukiwa Mombasa unaenda kilomita 300 chini, huko ndio Lamu. Na ajagoletwo ni kabila ciothe, nimechaguliwa na Wagiriama, Wakikuyu, Wapokomo, Waswahili. Na huko Lamu sisi tunashukuru Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kwa sababu kwa kipindi kirefu sana ndio aitomatora mahora guone mikora, lakini Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ile kazi ametufanyia imeleta sisi katika limelight ama katika maendeleo ambayo ni mazuri. Jambo la pili, nyinyi watu wa Murang'a na haswa watu wa Mathioya, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta alishikana mkono na baba, akaleta baba karibu. Ile mambo ya vita ilikuwa Kenya hii ikaisha, jamii yote ya Kenya sasa wanaishi pamoja. Nyinyi ni watu wa biashara, unaweza fanya biashara sehemu yote ya Kenya hii. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa sababu kubwa ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kumwendea baba. Baada ya baba amepewa nafasi hiyo ya uongozi ya kusimama katika kiti ya Azimio ya kusimama kama president, ameendea msichana yetu Martha Wangari Karua, ambaye sisi kama Wakikuyu na sisi pia kama viongozi na nyinyi tunajua heshima na kazi ya Martha Wangari Karua wakati wa Kibaki, akiwa waziri wa justice, akiwa mtetezi mkuu wa Geshogo, na tunajua yeye ni mtu ambaye hana ufisadi.
Na gwiciria wakotini ndirahetia hau niho tugutirihira mutaburuko witu wa thaa 10 tugucamania nawe wona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 kumania na kahinda gaka tugwitikiria DJ Smiles mena nyambura wake makorwo magituthakira nyimbo nigetha tugithii na mbere na guthogotha koguo ndukehere mitambo-ini ya Inoro TV cemania na mathaa macio makinya njitego Ken wa Kuraya.